Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm showing you how to create this quick and easy summer makeup look that I've been loving. I did have this on my TikTok as well, so I hope that you enjoy this video and let's get started. The first things that I'm doing is priming my skin and adding SPF. So the primer that I'm using is the Benefit Professional, and this is what I use all the time to fill in all of my pores because at the moment I do have pretty large pores, so I just put this on all the areas where I just want it to fill in. And for SPF, I do use two different ones. I put this on before I use my foundation. This is what I use throughout all the spring and summer, and also when it's really hot. I know that I should wear it all year round, but it's one of those where in the UK it isn't really that hot, and I like to wear foundations that do have SPF in them as well. So the two that I use are these two right here. So I have the Nivea Sun UV Face Shine Control. This one is amazing. It's SPF 50. It doesn't make me oily throughout the day. This is the one that I use pretty much all the time when I wear foundation. And the other one that I have is the Elizabeth Arden 8 Hour Cream Sun Defense for Face, which is SPF 50 again. And this one I do really like it. I use it mainly when I don't have any foundation on, but this is really good for me to use when I do have makeup on as well. But today I'm going to use the Nivea Sun one because this is so good for oil control. Finding life along the way, melodies. And for my foundation, at the moment I have been liking light medium coverages, and I'm using the Ordinary Colours Serum Foundation, and this is what it looks like. So I did try this out about a month ago, but it only just recently came up on my channel. So I'm using the shades 2.0 YG and 2.1 Y, and these also have SPF 15 in them as well, so it's perfect to go with the sun cream. And I really like the way that this looks on the skin because it's a really nice light medium coverage. It's easily buildable, it looks like your skin but better, and it just looks so nice and natural. And it does cover up my imperfections as well. As you can see, I do have some imperfections pretty much all around here, and for some reason my skin has just decided to break out. It was actually really nice for probably about 2 weeks and I didn't have any blemishes or anything like that, and then recently it has just decided that it's just going to go crazy again. And to conceal, I'm taking my trusty 16-hour Camo concealer from e.l.f. And as you guys know, I absolutely love this. I rave about it so much, and it's the only concealer that I will use because it is that good. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Then I'm taking my Coty Airspun powder, which you guys absolutely know is my favourite powder that I've ever used, and I haven't been able to find any that is as good as this before. Hopefully I'm going to be able to find one that you can actually get in the UK that is as good as this, but this one I can only get in the US, so I only get it when I go on holiday. And for bronzer, I'm using a cream bronzer from Chanel, and this one is the new version of the Soleil Tan de Chanel. This one is called Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream Soleil Tan Bronze Universal in the shade 390. So this at the moment is the only shade they've brought out. I'm hoping that they're going to bring out lighter and darker shades for people that do have loads of different skin tones, and this is what it looks like. So this one I haven't actually tried at the moment. The reason why I've decided to try this out on camera is because I do have the Soleil Tan de Chanel, but that one is now discontinued, so I want to show you guys some products that you can actually pick up now. So this is what it looks like, and it is supposed to be exactly the same, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's as good as the other one, and hopefully it stays on my skin as well as the other one as well. So I'm just taking my beauty blender and I'm just going in here, and then I'm going to put it on everywhere where I'd usually contour or everywhere where I want it to look nice and bronzed. Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wasteland. So after finishing my bronzer, I do actually really like it. It does need to be built up a little bit more than a Soleil Tan de Chanel, but I do like it. The colour is really nice on me as well, and I feel like it looks really good. And next I'm going on to eyes, and this is the Tarte BU Naturally palette, and I hope that they still have this available because this is one that I've been using all the time. If they don't, I will link some down below that are very, very similar to it. But this one, honestly, Tarte eyeshadows are so beautiful. This is the first palette that I've ever tried from Tarte, and it's just absolutely stunning, and it's so quick and easy to create a look. And I am one of those people that is super, super lazy with my eyeshadows when I just want an easy makeup look. So this one, it's not going to be very technical, and it's going to be very, very easy. So I'm going to take this shade right here, and this one is the matte brown, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid and also underneath my eyes. Echoing around these walls, fighting to taking this shade right here, which is a gold shimmer, and I'm just going to use my finger for this and pat this all over the lid. Then I'm going to take a tiny bit of this shade right here. This one is a dark shimmery brown, and I'm just going to put this on the outer third, only a tiny amount. And this is the eyeshadow, so like I mentioned, it's super easy to do. So now I'm going to go ahead and tightline my upper waterline using my L'Oreal Infallible Gel Crayon Eyeliner, and this one is waterproof and it's in the shade black. And for mascara, I'm using my Maybelline Lash Lift Mascara, which I absolutely love. This is my ultimate favourite, and I did do a first impression on it, which I'll link down below or somewhere in this video for you so you can check it out.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
And now that the eyes are done, I'm going to sweep away all of this powder that we put to bake. And now we're moving on to the blush, and I'm taking this Camo Cosmetics face palette in the shade Strawberry Shortcake, which is a BlushMeUp. And I'm going to take these two shades right here, and I'm going to mix them together and use this as my blush. And then I'm just going to sweep and do a stippler motion as well.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
And for highlighter, I'm taking my Smashbox Spotlight palette in the shade Pearl, and I'm going to take the middle shade right here, and I'm going to put this on all the areas that I want to highlight. And then I'm going to take a bit of the lighter shade here, and I'm going to take some on my finger and put it in the corner. And for my brows, I'm taking my MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof Brow Set, and this is the easiest thing ever for me to use for my eyebrows. As you can see, I am growing out my eyebrows, so they are looking a little bit crazy at the moment, because I don't really want to have big eyebrows at the moment. I just sort of want to have a little brow set in there, and then it's perfect for me.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat.
And those are the brows. So as you can see, it was super easy to do, but it doesn't look the best at the moment because, like I mentioned, my eyebrows are growing out, but I am self-isolating at the moment, so no one is going to see my eyebrows, so it's completely fine for me. So the last thing for me to do are the lips. So for this, I'm using the PS Lipliner Pencil from Primark, and this one is in the shade 08, and I think this is like a pinky nude shade. I can't remember what the shade name is off by heart. And then I'm using the Sweetheart lipstick from Camo Cosmetics as well. This is a finished makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I mentioned, it is very easy to do, and make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.
Fueled by them to see the